Imagine you want to analyze a sample of rare moon rock or a bore sample from the drift ice. Incredibly sensitive materials that, if contaminated, would be completely worthless. What you really need for that analysis is a metal-free cleanroom with the right machines. And right now, we'll show you how these work and why you really should go for one of our solutions. First, it is important to understand that a cleanroom is a room within a room. An existing room is outfitted with additional ceilings and walls. Because the surface properties of these elements are essential, they have to be smooth, tear-free, easy to clean, and resistant to aggressive chemicals. This is the only way to ensure the room is perfectly metal-free, and corrosion protection is as high as possible. And then, of course, there is the centerpiece of metal-free cleanrooms, the ventilation system. It supplies the cleanroom with pure fresh air and purges contaminated air. But let's go one step at a time. In the beginning, there is the induction of air from outside of the building. To prepare the air for a laboratory environment, an air conditioning unit regulates temperature and humidity. Subsequently, the air is purified through a system of filters. It now has a cleanroom classification between ISO 5 and 6. The air is then transported to the cleanroom via a ducting system, where a ceiling air distributor produces a laminar, vertical airflow from the ceiling to the floor. At the same time, air is ducted to the machines as well. Before it is allowed to enter the working area, it is filtered again using H14 filters. The air is now clean enough to be ducted into the machines, either horizontally or vertically, where the scientists are working with the sensitive materials. Within the machines, the air has a cleanroom classification of ISO 3. Potentially contaminated air from the machines is directly and permanently extruded through a closed ducting system. It is cleaned and transported out of the building using an exhaust ventilator. The used air from the cleanroom is being partially recycled to regain some of the stored thermal energy. Well, now you know how to safely analyze your samples. The reason you should commission your cleanroom with us is pretty simple. Too many cooks spoil the broth. Or to put it differently, we are the one-stop shop for metal-free cleanrooms. Ventilation, the cleanroom, and the machines are all part of a delicate system, which is why it is especially important that during planning and implementation, one hand knows exactly what the other one is doing. And that is why we stand by our work, 100%. Because MK Cleanrooms are the home for your samples.